In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Etsy location. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to update your region, language, and currency so your browsing and checkout experience matches where you are and how you prefer to shop. Start by opening your browser and going to Etsy's homepage. For the smoothest experience, make sure you're signed in to your account so your changes are saved to your profile. Once the page loads, look to the top right and click your account icon. This opens a quick menu with your personal options. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to a dashboard where you manage details like privacy, security, and preferences. On this page, find the section labeled Location Settings. That's where Etsy keeps the controls for how the site understands your region and how prices and language are displayed. Inside Location Settings, you'll see three key options. First, select your region. This tells Etsy which marketplace to prioritize for you. It can affect things like which shops are highlighted, estimated delivery times, and which shipping options you're most likely to see. Pick the country or region that best reflects where you're shopping from. Next, choose your language. This changes the site interface, menus, and settings into the language you want to read. Keep in mind that product descriptions are written by individual sellers, so not every listing will be translated automatically. If you prefer, you can still use your browser's translation tools for specific pages. Then, set your currency. This is how prices are shown across Etsy. Selecting your preferred currency helps you see totals more clearly at checkout. If your payment method uses a different currency, your bank or provider may still apply its own conversion. So this setting is mainly for display and clarity while you browse and compare items. After you've confirmed your region, language, and currency, scroll down and click Save Settings. Give the page a moment to refresh. You should now see prices displayed in your chosen currency, the interface in your selected language, and recommendations that match your region. If anything looks unchanged, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in to reload your preferences. A quick note for sellers. Changing your account's location settings affects how you view Etsy, but your shop's physical location and shipping profiles are managed in your shop manager. That's separate from what we updated here. That's it. You've successfully updated your Etsy location, language, and currency. Enjoy browsing with settings that make sense for you, and happy shopping.